This is Dr. Allison back with another Mindful Minute. I sounded like a weather reporter. We are breaking down mindfulness into tiny bite-sized pieces to help you realize that mindfulness does not have to be a giant meditation, chore, or practice. You can do it anytime, any place, anywhere, and we are doing that today in a minute or less. Remember, mindfulness means focusing your attention, so that's exactly what we're going to do for the next minute. Today, we are going to practice a mindful breath, which means you're focusing your attention on your body and on your breath. We're starting the clock. Let's do it. I want you to start right now by taking a deep breath in through your nose. Hold and pause, and now gently exhale, relaxing your neck and shoulders. Again, take a slow, deep breath in, feeling the breath move across your nose. Pause, and again, slow exhale, this time feeling the breath move across your lips. Let's do that again. Slow and deep breath in. And a slow exhale, releasing the tension in your upper body. Coming to a place of rest. Your breath can do amazing things when you pay attention to it. Nice job, y'all. We just did a minute of mindful breathing. You did awesome. If you want more mindful minutes like this, then come back and join me here. YouTube, Instagram, I'm doing it both places to make sure that you carve out a minute each week to practice mindfulness. Remember, mindfulness is a muscle and practice makes progress. So these 1 minutes, the more you do them, the stronger you get at focusing your attention. And that's when magic happens in our lives. All right, remember, I have lots more good stuff on my website, drallisonanswers.com. There's stuff about mindfulness, anxiety, relationships, productivity, you name it, it's there. Okay, have a good week. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.